Hi, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will talk about your English notes. Yes, you heard it right. Because so many people just make the notes and just leave it as it is. They don't get familiar with that notes. So if you want to speak like a pro, then what you will have to do is just you will have to repeat that notes until you would not be able to familiar with that notes. Okay, so this is the major mistake that people do. Just they ignore whatever they have made the notes. If you want to improve your English and if you want to speak like a pro, then you will have to get familiar with your notes. It will help you a lot. It will help you in your speaking journey. So please repeat that notes. In this video, I just wanted to share this because I have seen in my journey. That's why I'm telling you this. So please repeat that notes again and again. Thereafter you would be able to speak English, or else you will not going to speak English. So, and now I just want to show you this breathtaking view. Can you see the horizon? Take a look.